Hello children, welcome back to our online classes. Today we are going to study English Mulberry. I welcome all the students of class 1 to this class. The topic for today is poem Moon and Stars. In the previous class, we had studied the poem. We read the poem and I had explained it to you. Today we are going to do the exercise. Question 1. Put a tick right against the correct answer. You have to put a tick right against the correct answer. A. What does the child see in the sky at night? The options given are the moon and stars, the sun and stars. So, when we read the poem, what did we read? We read that the child sees the moon and stars in the sky at night and not the sun and stars. So, the answer is, what does the child see in the sky at night? The answer is the moon and stars. So, put a tick right against the moon and stars. B. When does the child wake up? When does the child wake up? The options given are at midnight, at break of day. What is the meaning of break of day? The meaning of break of day is early morning. So when does the child wake up? At midnight or at break of day? The answer is at break of day. Put a tick right against at break of day. This is the answer. Question 2. Find words from the poem which are opposites of the following words. We have to write down the opposites of the following words which were in the poem. Okay? So, A. Night. What is the opposite of night? The opposite of night is day, and it was there in the poem. B. Low. The opposite of low is high. C. Right. The opposite of right is wrong. D. Sleep. The opposite of sleep is wake. Word meaning. Break of day. The meaning of break of day is early morning. You have to write this in your classwork copy. Answer the questions. Question 1. Which word in the poem rhymes with high? You have to write down which word in the poem rhymes with high. Children, go through the poem once again and just look for the word which rhymes with high. I will recall the poem. Moon and stars, shining up on high. Children, you can read after me. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. So, tell me, which word rhymes with high? When we read the first 4 lines, we come to know the word which rhymes with high is sky. See, I'll show you once again. First of all, tell me, what is the meaning of rhyme? Rhyming words means the words which sound similar to the other word. So when we read the first four lines of the poem, moon and stars shining up on high. When I go to bed at night, I see you in the sky. So the word which rhymes with high is sky. So we'll write the answer. The word that rhymes with high is sky. Okay. Now next question. Question 2. When does the child go to bed? When does the child go to bed? We have studied in the poem. In the first four lines only, the child says, when I go to bed at night. This is the third line in the poem. When I go to bed at night. Okay. So the answer is, when does the child go to bed? The child goes to bed at night. The answer is, the child goes to bed at night. You have to write these question answers also in your copy. So your homework is learn the exercise. You have to learn the exercise which we did in the book as well as the word meanings and the question answers which I told you to do in your copies.